Good morning from TECHBAY 2017. We're in Torquay and we're talking to Peter Kean, who's engineer in Gooch Housego.
Hello, hi, good morning.
Why are you here?
I'm here to promote interest in STEM subjects, so that's science, technology, engineering, mathematics, to the young students of today, really, in the local school area, to hopefully sort of ignite some spark of interest in becoming, getting a career into engineering and science.
It's not your first year?
I was actually here last year as well. I did another activity here last year, and today I'm here with on the stand with my company to promote, obviously, both our company and, as I say, interest in the science and engineering subjects.
Are you the owner of a company, or you're one of engineers?
Yeah, I'm one of the engineers employed at the company. I'm an optical systems engineer, so I work with a whole load of fibres and lasers, fibre optics, and we design products and subsystems which we sell generally into other companies.
You're based in Southwest, somewhat Torquay?
Yes, we're actually just a local company in Torquay. The company itself has been around for many years under sort of various ownership, but now we're under the ownership of Gooch Housego.
How many people working for Gooch Housego today?
In the overall, the company has a number of sites across the world, really, mainly based in the UK and the US, and overall we've got I'm not quite sure, probably in the region of 1,000 employees. Around in Torquay itself, I think we're about 200.
It's quite a big international company.
Yeah, it's grown quite a bit over the years. Yeah.
What actually made you famous and known? How did you manage to stay on a market and go international?
The company is headquartered in Ilminster. They've been working in optics for a very long time, and I think that as new management's come along, they basically looked at acquiring different companies, and that's essentially how the company has grown, by expanding into new markets beyond traditional sort of telecoms. And buying other companies that fit under a sort of photonics umbrella, really.
How many engineers work in the Gooch Housego today?
I would say probably at least half of the employees are engineers. Yeah.
So you're looking to employ people as well, or you're just encouraging young students to go to study engineering?
We have, I think we have there are sort of various openings, to try and attract people into the industry. But obviously the main focus from sort of today's activity is to encourage young people to go into studying further at engineering and science.
What latest products you come up with? I see there's a nice device here right in front of us.
Yes, this little box is what we call a fibre Q product. It's actually an Acusto-Optic Moderator. So basically we have an input fibre where the light is launched in, and it's coupled through a special crystal and then to an output fibre. And then there's an RF port here where we apply a radio frequency electrical signal, and that produces an acoustic wave inside the crystal to actually cause the light to switch to the output fibre. So this is essentially a fibre optic switch, and that's used in many high power laser systems, which are used all over the world for laser marking, laser cutting, in making many products from steel frames right down to the very fine marking that's required on the mobile phones, for instance.
I heard you won a Queen's Award for this. What is it, and when did you get it?
Yes, I think we were awarded the Queen's Award for Export last year, and that basically was an award to recognise that Gooch Housego have been very successful in developing this new product and selling it abroad into the worldwide market.
Very interesting device. I see all gadgets here. What these are for?
So this is basically a little demonstration that we've got for the students today. So we have a red laser. You may be able to see some of the red light that's just being coupled into the fibre optic cable here, and then that outputs a light from a fibre here, and we're just showing the difference between light that comes directly out of the fibre and then light that comes out of a collimated fibre, where the light doesn't diverge very much, which shows that we can use that kind of lenses and micro-optics inside the packages such as this.
What's your message for young kids who like to become engineers?
Well, I would say, to study hard and if they're interested in science and engineering, it's a fascinating subject. You can learn all about how the world works, not only how nature works, essentially, how does light behave and all the other kind of fundamental physical properties of nature, but also you can go into technology and engineering and create devices and products that can sell around the world, and it's a very interesting and fascinating subject.
Thank you very much, Peter.
Okay, thanks. Cheers.